This is a weather forecast video for Thursday, May the 26th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see large storm system over the center part of the country with showers and thunderstorms, some severe from Michigan and Indiana down into the deep south. Here's the watch morning map from last evening around midnight. You can see some tornado watches from the Indiana and Ohio southward into Mississippi and Louisiana with several severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings. Some flood issues over Missouri, Illinois, and into Indiana, Michigan, and Ohio. Some wind issues over the west, along with some winter weather issues over the northwest. Here's the QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock. This takes into account rain that fell last night and rainfall that will come with the next storm system this weekend in an isolated fashion. Let's take a look at the GFS Model Run, the 0Z run at 1 p.m. today. You can see that upper level feature to the east of the state, and that'll be taking the storms and rain with it. We'll see some clearing skies, and temperatures will remain slightly below average with temperatures in the 60s to near 70. Friday, here comes the next storm system with rain chances increasing over the western counties of the state Friday afternoon, but the rest of the state will likely see the rainfall overnight. By Saturday, the model shows very little, if anything, around, and that might be true. The daytime hours may be fine, but the rest of the overnight may be kind of wet. This will go also into Sunday, where there will be a chance of some showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the morning and maybe in the evening hours. Monday, Memorial Day Monday, low pressure moving into northern Nebraska with the cold front trailing down into the Texas Panhandle could produce some showers and thunderstorms. Here's Tuesday. The Fort Max is moving up to about just north of Duluth, Minnesota. It's being shunted up north because of this big, huge 594 ridge over the southeast, and that's shunting everything to the north into Canada and leading to cold fronts coming into this area and dying out. So there could be some showers Tuesday, but very little, if any. And Wednesday, that front begins to just fizzle south of the state and high pressure moves in, and it will be getting warm as we move into the 1st of June and into Thursday of next week. Maybe a shower moving back into the western part of the state, but it will be warm as we'll see highs well into the 80s, and the heat and humidity of summer will be making its return. We head off into Voodoo Country. Here's Monday, June the 6th. You can see there's that ridge over the southern and southwestern part of the country with a big trough over just west of California at the surface. Shows a front trying to move into the state, could spark off a shower, maybe a thunderstorm. It still will remain quite warm, likely highs around 85 to 90. And at the end of the forecast period on June the 10th, the ridge is still in the same place with a trough out over the west and a trough over New England. When at the surface, you can see the main storm track will be north of the state, so we'll see some, if this pans out, sunny weather, hot weather, pretty much dog days of summer weather. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.